Sarah and I are really excited to make some mushroom crostini with this baguette, and we will also add some of this paste by Urbany Truffles. It's a white truffle and mushroom paste, and even some porcini that you can get from them frozen. Let's get started. One important thing with mushrooms is that you never submerge them in water because they would absorb the water, so you just get a clean cloth and rub them nice and clean. Cut the mushrooms like this. They don't have to be very precise. We'll do the same with these porcini. Oh, these are gonna be like gold in there. We're just gonna cut them and add them to the rest of the mushrooms. I'm gonna gather these mushrooms, place them in here with the rest, and then we will get some of this cayenne pepper and the garlic, and we will also chop that up. The easiest way to peel them is to crush them a bit, and then the skin comes right off. And we'll do this with these few cloves because they'll add such an amazing flavor to the mushrooms. Now we're gonna get the garlic and just mince it, turn it around, and so we'll make it nice and small so nobody gets a mouthful of garlic. Now we're gonna do the same with the pepper, and this will just add a wonderful little kick to it all. We're gonna move this out of the way, bring this bowl here, put the cream cheese into this, as well as the white truffle and mushroom. Now we'll mix everything up. And this is it. The pan has preheated and the oven is also preheated. To this, we're gonna add the garlic and the cayenne pepper. And immediately we'll also add the mushrooms. We'll place all this in the oven. As you can see, there is a nice gentle fire going. We will put the mushrooms in and let the oven do its magic. While the mushrooms are in the oven, we're already gonna chop the parsley, just removing some of the harder stems. Then mince this as well. And this will also be added to the mushrooms, but we'll also reserve some for the end just to sprinkle on top. And it's gonna make a beautiful contrast of colors. This now we're adding some of the parsley and also some of the salt. And we will place it back inside. People often think that a wood-fired oven has to have this big fire with flames billowing across the dome of the oven, but you have to kind of regulate the heat depending on what you are cooking. In this case, we just need a gentle fire going. As for the assembly, we're gonna cut our baguette into slices about this thick. And these we'll place on a baking sheet. We'll put cream cheese and truffle paste right on it, the mushrooms on top, and it will go back in the oven for just a few minutes. And here we go. We're gonna place a nice generous amount of this cream cheese filling right on top of the bread. Now, can you imagine topped off with these mushrooms? Oh my. This will be just a wonderful appetizer for any occasion. So flavorful, and the aroma coming up here from the truffles is so nice and intense. And here are our crostini that are going to be made even better inside the oven. The crostini are going in, and this is going to be the magic touch at the end to make them absolutely delicious. Let's pull our crostini out and look at them. The bread has been able to get crunchy, and then there is this contrast of the creaminess of the paste and the cream cheese, and this is going to be an absolutely delicious appetizer. And here they are. We're going to put them all around this plate, and then we will top them off with a little bit more of the parsley. Let's see if we can put another one in. And then the best part will be that I'll get to taste them. So here is some more parsley, and then here we also cut some more of this cayenne pepper, and just the contrast of the colors is going to be very beautiful. I believe that even this deserves a nice drizzle of olive oil, and I think I'm going to grab this one right here. Look at it, the creaminess of the cream cheese and the truffles, the crunchiness of the bread, and oh my, buon appetito. So good.